What if cancer isn't just something to fight, but a signal that your body needs help? According to Dr. Insan, cancer develops when your body becomes overloaded with toxin.
And more importantly, when your 5 vital organs begin to fail: the liver, lungs, heart, kidneys, and spleen. When these organs can't detoxify, regulate, or repair, your immune system collapses. That's when tumors begin to form. Not to kill you, but to contain toxic waste your body can no longer remove.
The problem is, most treatments focus only on cutting out or destroying the tumor. But if the organs stay damaged, cancer often returns stronger than before. That's why the Insan Method focuses on restoring the internal environment. True healing doesn't attack the body, it supports it. And when your organs recover, the body regains its power to heal itself. The 3 core steps of the Insan Method. Step 1. Detox with bamboo salt. 9 times baked bamboo salt, high in minerals and deeply alkaline, is used to cleanse the organs, flush out hidden toxins, and restore pH balance. It's not just salt, it's functional medicine in mineral form. Step 2. Nandamban, known as calcanthite blended with egg white. It's ideal for those needing strong internal support for inflammation, immune balance, or toxic load recovery. Step 3. Immune and energy recovery. Supplement made by Dr. Choi Eun-A based on Master Insan's formula, Miracle Capsule, contains 9 times baked bamboo salt and calcanthite plus egg white, and made this easy-to-take capsule. The body's natural healing and vital energy returns. Only the Insan Clinic in Korea continues the legacy of Dr. Insan, including diagnosis, bamboo salt therapy, Nandamban, and natural mineral protocols. Led by Dr. Choi Eun-A and her son, this clinic carries forward a 150-year medical tradition of true holistic cancer care. Cancer doesn't start with a tumor. It starts when your organs break down. Cutting it out is not enough. To truly heal, we must restore the body from the inside. Discover more about the Insan Method and how healing can begin today.